Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Bookmarks. I love them, but I never have time to organize them. In my ideal world, I would have my bookmarks categorized into folders in a way that makes them really easy to find. But realistically, I now have so many bookmarks that even the best categorization would make it very slow for me to find them. So now I bookmark without categorizing. I just put a bookmark on the bookmarks bar in Chrome, and if I have to find a bookmark, all I have to do is start typing words from it into the address bar, and Chrome will bring it up very fast. Precisely because the page was bookmarked, and Chrome now thinks that I at some point must have found it important enough to want to easily access this content. The other benefit of bookmarking is if you go into the three dots at the top of Chrome and you click into Bookmarks and Bookmark Manager, you can actually search across all your bookmarks, which makes it a lot less necessary to keep them well organized. Now, if you are the organizing type, by all means, keep your bookmarks sorted and organized. But if you feel like you need to find ways not to spend so much time on administrative work, then maybe searching among your bookmarks is the method for you too. If you found this life hack helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.